Welcome back, guys. Okay, so in this video we're going to create a logo, but this time we're creating from scratch. Very simple logo we're going to create, and we're not using any templates. The previous one we used a template. This one I'm going to create something very simple and something very nice. So that wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the point. Alright, so as usual, come to our web browser. Still my network is not strong enough. So anyways, let's go to our web browser and go to the website canva.com and go wait for it to load. And when it's done, okay, we'll see our recent video which will appear here. Okay, this is our recent design, which is the Eagle Tech we created. So let's create another one. Start from scratch, still from scratch, and I go to logo. I come to logo here and I click on it. Alright, so it's loading. So what product are we going to, what brand are we going to create now? Let's see. Okay, let's create for fashion. Let's see, maybe hair or dress, clothes and the likes. Okay, all right, so let's do that. And okay, I'm not using template like I said, so I need this guy down. All right, so like this now we have a plain design. Now if you look at the size is resolution size is 500 pixel by 500 pixel. So let's rename it. Let me think for a name. Okay, what name? Okay, since it's dress and hair, let's look at a female name. Okay, Lady B. Lady B is good. Lady B sounds nice. Okay, so let's say Lady B. Okay, Empire. Alright, so I'm good to go. Lady B Empire. Okay, let me add logo. Lady B Empire logo. Alright, so I'm good to go. Alright, so that means Lady B. And when it comes to logo, we have can you use an image, or like the previous one we used image, or we can use the first letter to represent the brand. For this one, let's see if we can use the first two letters, rather the first letter of each word. We have Lady B, so just use L and B. Okay, so I'm going to use text. So I come here and I add, and instead of coming to templates, I use text. Alright, so let's see, loading. It's loading for us. Let me see, I trust the network is good. Okay, I think it's downloading. Our network is very strong. Is it? Not too strong. Hold on a bit. Alright, so it's downloading. And I come here, I click on add a heading. Okay, I can quickly edit this one now. And first thing is L. And then, as usual, I can resize it. Let me increase the font size to, okay. So I think let's try and let's change the font type. So let's change the font. Which font are we going to use that will fit in well? Let me see. What's wrong with our network? Okay, so network is back. Okay, so let's see. Which font should we use now? Which font should we use? Let's try Allegra. Allegra. Let's see. We have that font. Okay, we do. Okay, let's just try it. Alright, since the network is a bit fuzzy. Okay, it's done. Alright, so this is our font. Let me move it a little bit up, and let me increase the size too. Alright, so I can quickly duplicate this one. Let me duplicate it so that I can have my P. I believe you already saw what I want to do now. Also, so I can quickly just adjust it to be here. Alright, so next thing now, we want to use Empire. So I'm going to come here and add this. And which can I use? Which can I use now? Okay, let me use this. That's some shadow effects. I want to edit the effects. Can you come in? Thank you. Alright, so and delete elements. I need one of these. So I come here and I click on, I type Empire. Alright, so this is our Empire. I can rotate it the way I want it, and I can also move it. Also, I can resize it. So let's resize it a little bit. Okay, now so the main thing I want to do is to change the colors of this font. So I come here to color. Now we have white, we have black. So if you notice this, now we can see the shadow very well. It's a red shadow. So let me use white. So I come down out of here. Alright, so still on this guy. So now I'm looking for a way to now to this shadow now is an effect. So I come here to effects, and then you can see this is the color. This is the shadow now. You can see it's echo. I can change it to this one. I can change it to this one, or I can change it to bleach. So let's leave it in the echo. Echo. So now we click on that settings. You can see settings on it. Click on settings. So don't change the color of the echo. Click on this, change the color. So I come here. This is the color red. I can change the color to ash. I change it to white. I won't say anything again. Change to black. I need to see something. I can leave it on the black, or I can leave it on the ash, or I can leave it here. So let me use the black so that I can at least see something there, or I can leave it on the red. But we're using black here, so let's use the black. So one thing about brand is about colors when it comes to logo designs. So oops, that was too much. So I think it's beautiful like this. I can resize it and also resize it this way. So let it be Empire. So as simple as this, we have our simple logo. So I think one more thing we can do that will make this thing nicer if we can resize this. Let it occupy the entire space. So I come here and increase this. Okay, let me reduce this first. And let me move it aside. You can notice I was unable to edit it. So I come here and I move this one here a little bit, and then I increase this one too. I come here and edit it too. Okay, let me move this one here, and let me move, sorry about that. Let me move this one here. Alright, so we have our beautiful logo. So that brings us to the end of logo design. See you in the next course, tutorial rather. Okay, as usual, you to download it. So let's quickly download it. That be the case. Let's download it. Since it's only one, we have only one here selected. So I come here and download it, and I wait for it to download. Download, thank you. Okay, here it is. So loading our beautiful logo, Lady B Empire logo. You can see that it works with the name of the file. Don't worry, I'll soon get you pro. Thank you very much. Alright, so I open it, and beautiful Lady B Empire. So thank you very much, guys. See you in the next tutorial.